Hello, my name is Jim Mullany from Sitek Process Solutions. Today is October 2nd, 2024. Today I'm doing a prior to ship video on a fully remanufactured, like new Sitek 4300 spin rinse dryer. This system is going to Europe, so it has been fully CE marked. I'm going to go over some of the options that it has on it because there's quite a few. It has the static eliminator, the resistivity sensor, water recirculation. It has our light indicator, the EMO. It is set up for 200 millimeter special wafers with a special cassette. I'll go in detail after the fact, but you'll notice these retaining rods look different than normal. They're actually cut to almost the same radius as the wafers for more protection of the sharp edges. Let me go back here to give you the SRD number. This is on our tag a 4300S, SRD serial number 01618, manufactured September 2024. It's been ready for a couple weeks, and it is 220 volt ready. So let me go ahead and just simply, I have the cassette loaded, and I'll hit start. We're going to be going through a traditional spin rinse dryer process, which will be a rinse. That's your DI high quality rinse. There'll be a purge that blows the water out of the lines so that does not drip back during the dry cycle. Then it'll go through a dry one, which is a high RPM spin to sling the water off the wafer cassette and the rotor. And then it'll go into the low RPM dry 2, which is elongated, that uses our N2 heat, heater blankets, and centrifugal force to dry everything. This system has the Sitek state-of-the-art slick device controller. This is the most advanced control system you can buy on, we believe, in any spin rinse dryer. Oh, this customer also purchased SexGem. Our company has a full software development team for SexGem. We actually have SexGem work at our facility, so we can actually work and help your team in the profile of our SexGem working with your company. Right now, we're in the rinse. We have 1 second to go. The indicator green means good. It means you're running process, so we're good there. As you can see, we have a digital graphical to screen. Right now, green, we have the N2 valve on, the purge valve, and the low pressure purge on. This is dry 1. We're going to go to 1800. Notice how smooth it is. You can't even, all you can hear is the N2 coming out of the back. It's so nice, out of the drain. It's excellent. At Sitek, we are the #1 remanufacturer, we believe, in the world of spin rinse dryers. We also are the owner of Vertec. We purchased a Vertec product line approximately 3 or 4 years ago. So we support the Vertec product line in all spares, service, repairs, refurbishments, etc. For the Semitool product line, and that goes to any of the traditional S as in Sam, which this is, F as in Frank, which looks like this but uses a different bowl seal, and then the ST, which is the very traditional rinser dryer. We offer 100% spare parts. We have controller repairs, replacement controllers, servo drives, brushless motors, heater blankets, N2 heaters, all across the board, anything and everything. We also, Sitek has now been doing quite a lot of field service. We have customers worldwide that need service on their spin rinse dryers, and our field service team has been doing quite a lot of in-fab, little remanufactured refurbishments of customers' tools right in their lab area. We have 15 seconds to go, then we're going to drop down to dry 2, which is the back to low RPM dry. Okay, we have 300 seconds, approximately 5 minutes. Okay, we're going to drop back down. Here it is, coming down very nicely, right through the harmonic. You didn't hear it. We have dry 2 at 500 RPM. Nice and low RPM, not to damage the wafers. So at Sitek, we offer the Semitool and the Sitek spin rinse dryers. Again, we talk about all support on the tools. We have quite a lot of customers that send us their machines in. In fact, every week, multiple machines arrive for customer refurbishments where they actually send us their tool and have us do the rebuild at our site here. If we do a customer's rebuild, we still do it to the high quality standards of our own tools and go through the same QC process. When a system is being built, here's a couple more systems coming into final test. These ones, the heads just got loaded. The heads were fully tested. Now they get populated in a double stack configuration. Tomorrow we'll be doing another, over the next few days, 50 process runs. Make sure everything's good. If it is, we'll have these buttoned up, and these will all be shipping in the next 3 or 4 days. We have quite a lot of tools right now at Sitek on our backlog. We have some tools. We have another 300 mil, that's a 300 millimeter rinser dryer. We have a 200 millimeter rinser dryer at the end. These are just 150 millimeter capable. Besides the Semitool product line, which again, we are the world leader, we believe, we have a couple other process lines for DI processing. We are the supports company right now for the Integris floor wear box washers. That's the 4000, 8000, 80, 10, 20, and 30. We offer a wide range of parts on those. We have the pumps, we have the spray arms, we have the hubs, we have the arm controllers, etc. The heating systems. We have been doing quite a lot of in-house retrofits where we'll come to go to a company's site because it's a large tool and it's hard to rig out, and actually do a mini refurbishment, maybe about a 5-day refurbishment at their site, replacing all the critical components. Besides the HTC and the Semitool product line, we also work with the single wafer mask and wafer scrubbers. That would be the Ultra T, Ultra Tech, K&S type scrubbers. We always have 2 or 3 going through our manufacturing process line. That's for your high pressure cleaning of masks or other substrates. Still have about a minute and a half to go. The system is running so smooth. Can't even feel it spinning. It's excellent. This system, once this video is done, will be crated up and it'll be shipped over to Europe. Actually, as I think I said, we do quite a lot of, we have our distributors in both Germany, Italy, France, Switzerland, etc. So we do quite a lot of tools. In fact, this customer, who's one of the largest semiconductor companies in the world, also recently purchased a wafer fab here in California. We have 2 more machines that are going to that site in a couple months, thereabouts in a couple months. Okay, we have about a minute and a half, 90 seconds to go. On our control system, this shows the anti-statics working, and the only thing on the bowl heater you see that's yellow or amber, that's because the bowl heater, that's the heater blanket, it heats and cools throughout the process so it doesn't overtemp. When it hits the set point, it turns off the heat. That's why it's amber. When it drops down below the set point, it'll turn green again and start heating. So we have a minute left. At the end of the process, what'll happen, the wafers will upright to home position. We call it 12 o'clock. When that happens, I'll hear the door release, and I'll be able to unlock the door and take the substrates out. This also has the auto door lock. That's another safety feature that the customer asked for. And so the door, besides having the traditional door seal, it actually has a pin lock that locks the door physically. Okay, we have about 20 seconds to go. Alrighty. Spinning down, braking. Okay. I heard the RSP engage. There we go. I heard the door unlock. So, completed a successful recipe. It gave you all the times of the recipe, all the process steps. To clear this, you can hit OK. You can hit clear or just open the door. All 3, open it. Clear it, I'll just open the door. Feel for heat. Yep, don't want to burn my hand there. Nice and warm. This is a special cassette with half the slots. Wafers are nice and dry, very nice. What I talked about to get a better view here is these are our retaining rods that with the radius on them to match the radius of the wafer. As you can see, the bowl looks beautiful on the inside. It's a fantastic. Even though this is a fully refurbished system, almost every customer in the world, in fact, this customer loves working with us because we've done multiple systems at their site for them. Our systems look brand new, even though it's a refurbished system. So this will conclude my very short prior to shipment video review of a Sitek 4300S fully remanufactured like new spin rinse dryer. Again, my name is Jim Mullany. Today is October 2nd, 2024. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 916-797-9000 or email sales@sitekprocess.com. Thank you.